everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where I thought we would do something a little bit different and go to Bunnings Warehouse. I think next to Kmart, Bunnings is the place to be, and I want to check out a few things that are in here and also buy a couple of things because they've been on my wish list for a very long time. The first thing I saw was that you can recycle your batteries here. I thought that was really awesome. I know that Officeworks also have a similar recycling program there, so jump on board that. All right, first thing, let's grab a trolley. I'm hoping we're gonna need it. First up, I saw these rugs that were right inside the door. They looked so good, and some of them were super soft, especially these fake furs as well. Oh, nowhere to put them, but I was like, this could go well in my house. And then they had lots of other things here. Air dryers, super important for winter right now. We haven't had a dryer for well over 20 years. We just use a lot of clothes horses. We find they work well. We just make sure we don't need the clothes in a hurry. Next up was this wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I really feel like I'd want this. I have no idea why. 90% of our house is all floorboards. So yeah, but you know, it looks good. All right, let's go to the cleaning aisle because that is the most important for me. I have this spin mop. I love it. I got it from Woolworths though. It was only $45, but I am talking like 2 years ago, pandemic, when I got into cleaning like half of the world. Microfiber cloths, I have these for $10 for this massive 20 pack. They're awesome. I thought, oh, no way I'd use all of these. And I have easily. When you get into cleaning a lot, you use them pretty quickly. They wash up really well as well. Just checking out the prices of this sponge pack, $2.99 for a pack of 10. And having a look here also at these cloths. Oh, yeah, these are the white magic erasers. I was curious to know where they were. I really need one that attaches to like a mop that I can like help clean the walls with rather than trying to do it with my arms. So I'm still on a plan to try and find some. I saw these cloth white gloves here. I had a laugh because in Coles they're like $1.50, and I think I bought a pair for about $2 from an op shop. And looking at all the cleaning tools, I am obsessed with the big like window cleaner thing that Ari has on her cleaning channel on YouTube, and I think, oh, I want to look for it. I'm always looking. Onto the products that are here. I'm always looking at what's here because I'm just curious to know what's around. Oh, the pink stuff is here on sale for $7.60. Everybody swears by this product. I haven't used it. I would love to, but I find that one of the Coles's cream cleansers works just as well. So yeah, toilet cleaner here for the price and the weight. Looks like it would be cheaper than the Swan Harpic ones I think you get from Coles. So, but I'd have to double check that out. And oh, I think this is the thing very close to what Ari uses. So I'm going to put that in my wish list for maybe another time and see if maybe later down the track I could be interested in getting one. Just having a look at all the other cleaning tools here. I want to find something that will help clean the floor so I'm not down on my hands and knees anymore because, oh, that nearly killed me trying to scrub the floor, and I really need to clean part of the toilet. I know everyone's like, just get a mop and bucket, but I want to give it a really good scrub. So I'm going to have a look. The only thing is some of the equipment pieces here individually were over $100. Just wasn't willing to pay that. Look at these welcome mats. Oh, they look so cute. So many different designs. Oh, they look really good. Oh, someone's left one on the floor. We'll just pick that up and put that back with everything else. I saw these demo displays to make the charcuterie board. Is that what you have there? And I thought I need one of those as just a regular pizza chopping board. So having a look at the other cleaning things that were here. Oh, replacement mop head. That's good to know. Might be needing that one day. And then went down the next aisle and they've got a whole lot of their storage stuff here. So all of the, what are they called? Material cubes and all the storage shelves that they go in there as well. It's good to see them all on display here. And oh, these are my favorite little acrylic baskets you can put stuff in. They look very similar to the IKEA ones. They're all white, so I'm glad to see these ones are clear. And then oh, there's some more here. That's really good. And then oh yes, we need a free magazine. Let's grab that. And then let's head to the tool shop because I have a voucher and some money to spend because I really need to get a few things. So first thing I saw was this Ultimate Cleaning Brush Jet. It spoke to me. I'm not sure why. But we're going to put that in the trolley and see if it still speaks to me for a little while. I really want to clean some of the tiles in the toilet and also in the shower and stuff because they're starting to get a little bit of mold, and so I'm looking just for ways to make life a little bit easier. But yeah, I don't know what I want, so I just keep looking around for stuff. Then we're going to have a look at pressure cleaners because I do need to get a pressure cleaner to help with the car because I don't want to pay any more money at the car wash. And I was meant to get a pressure cleaner pre-Christmas, so before I started my no buy year. And so I've been saving the gift card and the money for it. So I'm having a look around at everything that's here. Now, I did call someone over and say, could you please help me? And he was very helpful. So thank you so much. And he explained to me about all the different machines and all the attachments and stuff that comes with it. Basically, the most basic kit here, which is this one, the Ozito, it doesn't come with any additional attachments or anything like that. This Karcher one was a little bit more expensive, but it does come with some additional attachments, and you can also buy easily some other bits. This one, the Ryobi, was $199, and you can see here what it comes with. The rotary brush is really what I want. This one is just a little bit cheaper and it has like an angle brush instead of a round brush, but you could buy the rotary brush for an extra $30. So the guy said to me, it's probably best that you go all out and buy sort of something that includes as much as you can. So we have grabbed one, and no doubt you will see that in a bit of a reveal later on, but also I'll be doing a review when I wash the car and I'll let you know which one I grabbed. I saw this little mini vacuum set. I have no idea how that would attach to the vacuum cleaner, but I was very curious, so I've recorded it for now. And then of course I had to ask for help again because I am looking for a Rubbermaid cleaner. I have seen this on another YouTuber's channel, Jamie's Journey. She cleans so much with it, and I agree with her. Some of the shower tracks and other things like that, it's great to have something to assist you so you're not physically scrubbing all the time. So I will get one because also that's been on my wish list for a really long time. Look at these carpets and the hole runners. That's so good. You can just buy and cut to size. That's really great. And then had a wander through other parts of the store and saw these garden stakes. They are super cute. And then looking at all the different pot plants that were here, and oh, so many good colored designs and things like that. Wandering around to where all the furniture setup is. I love this gazebo. Don't think it would stand up very well with some of the winds we've been having lately. And the furniture, I have nowhere to put it, but I love it. I love it absolutely. I love looking at the plants that are by the door near one of the exits to go outside in the garden. They always have such cute little plants here, and they have these little, is it a terrarium? Yeah, look at that, they're so cute. And then on the other side they have little cactuses and little violet flowers and tiny little pot plants. And my favorite of all is these lucky bamboos. I love them. I used to have one, and I think they make such a good little window display for the kitchen as well. All right, we are finally outside. Yay! I always have a look at the fruit trees. I'm probably not going to be planting any for quite a while, but I love to have a look at them and see what you can grow. They look so sparse, but I guess that's the start of a tree. And having a look at all the different fruit and things that you can grow. Oh, I'd love to grow my own Granny Smith apple tree. That would be so cool. Having a look at the roses. Oh, these are so pretty. I can't believe that there are so many varieties of roses. Clearly, I'm not a gardener. I'm sure there's millions out there. I just love looking at all of them. I wish that I could find some on clearance like I found last year and sadly didn't pick them up, but maybe next time. Oh, passion fruit. That is on my list of something that I probably would like to grow. Same with these strawberry plants. It says Nellie Kelly. If it said Nettie Kelly, I'd probably pick one up because my name's Kelly and my nickname was Ned growing up. So oh, and some more roses. Oh, these ones look so good being in the bags. And I always look at all the tags and see all the names that are there and think, do any speak to me? So again, once I get the garden a bit more established, I will allow myself to buy a couple of plants because again, I've been saving for them. All right, having a look at all the potted colour. I love looking at all the flowers that are in here. And of course, I found one on clearance. Oh, look at these flowers. They look so cute. I don't know what kind they are. They look good. Why does everything look so good in Bunnings? I swear, if I got home and planted it, it would not look good anymore. Absolutely. I always have a look at the seedlings that are here for the fruits and veggies, and I love looking at the strawberries. I just think the pictures look so good. I wish for a strawberry patch one day. That is my plan for one of the garden beds, so we are working on that. And then having a look at the other veggies. It's always good to see some on clearance, so I'm making a little bit of a mindful collection, and when I'm ready I definitely will check them out. I know some people say you should grow from seeds, but just depends sort of where we're at with the time we're ready to plant. Bonsai trees. Oh, I love these. They look so good. And look at this, some more plants on clearance. There were quite a few other little potted plant stuff on clearance as well. So it's always good keeping an eye out, especially if you are a good gardener, you could probably rescue it for sure. Having a look at the statues, this is probably the cutest thing in Bunnings, looking at all the little animals. There's a little dragon down there and lanterns. Look at these dogs, they look so cute. All right, we're on our way home. We have a few things, so I'll be sharing with you later how everything works. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.